Hey, Chris McGeady here from Preseason REI. It's the middle of December. We're in southeast Pennsylvania, and we haven't seen the sun in about 2 weeks. So perfect opportunity to talk about shiny objects. Gotta talk about something shiny. When it comes to real estate investing, when it comes to business, this is very important in the beginning to keep yourself focused. I know we did it in the beginning. What we mean by shiny objects is you do something, you get excited about it, you start doing it, it starts working, and then you see something else and you see somebody else doing that well and you get excited about that and you switch gears and you start doing that. You want to try and stay away from this. We did it, we're guilty. We learned what wholesaling was, and then we learned what flipping was and how to do it, and then you're buying holds and you're like, this is all great, you can make money doing all of these strategies, we're going to do them all at once. Well, you can, but if you really want to be consistent and you want to be persistent, then you're going to pick one strategy that really gets you excited. You're really excited about doing it and become successful at it. And once you're successful and you're able to get to a point where it's a second nature, right? It's a no-brainer, whatever you're doing, or you can pass that off to somebody if your goal is to scale. Then you start working on the next one. There's no saying you can't build and you can't build out, but you definitely don't want to do it all at once. And one or two people out there are probably fighting me right now. They're like, I could do all three at the same time because I have a system in place. That's fine. It's not for everybody. I think if I'm going to broadly put this video out there, my advice would be to pick a strategy, stick with it, get good at it, perfect it as much as possible, and then move on to the next one, because that's going to be your best bet. You're going to instead of being good at all the things, get great at one, and then try and get great at the next. And then you're going to be better off in the future. So there's your shiny object tip of the day.